Hi there, salut, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and it's already unboxed. I'm gonna do a quick first impression of Mercedes-Benz Intense. Mercedes-Benz Intense is considered one of the best Christian Dior clone Farenheit. In the top notes we can find bergamot, lemon and Italian pepper. While in the middle notes we find pepper and nutmeg. In the base we find a strong and beautiful sense of vetiver and cedar. First impression, perfect. There you go. All right. This is Dior Farenheit. Oh my god. It does smell a lot. Oh my god, it does smell a lot like Dior Farenheit. I have tried to buy clones of Dior Farenheit and I haven't found such a good clone like this one. This is a really good clone. I wouldn't say more I smell actually is not a clone. This have a strong opening with bergamot and lemon. This is the first time I'm trying. After 3 seconds I'm trying to smell more bergamot and lemon. So no, overall first impression I give it 7.5 out of 10. So I'll try 2 days and let you know my final thought. See you in 2 days. Señores, I have tried this for 2 days. I tried it at my work, tried a night out with my girlfriend, and something have changed. First of all, the heavy notes of the bergamot and lemon, I would say after an hour, it cooled down, which is a good thing. That was a kind of turn off for me because it was so punchy, the bergamot and the lemon, that I would think, this is a very citric cologne. But after half an hour, depending on your skin, my skin was actually after an hour, it's kind of cooled down and start seeing more the vibe of Dior Farenheit. So first note that you get into that is, I spray a little bit here, or here in the bottle. First note you get out of the box is the bergamot and the lemon. This is the notes that you get into this bergamot and lemon. After it settle down, you do get the vibe out of pepper, vetiver, cedar actually. So you're probably asking, is this a clone or is not a clone of Dior Farenheit? And my answer actually is yes and no. Even though that it smell a lot like Dior Farenheit, but the difference in my opinion and my research is that it doesn't have any leather. So if you enjoy Dior Farenheit, but one of the things that you don't like is that dirty leather sense on it, this actually is a great alternative. But in my opinion, I'm not a fan of Dior Farenheit, but this is a great alternative that I will buy on top of Dior Farenheit because I don't like the leather that they put in Dior Farenheit. Don't get me wrong, I enjoy leather scents. One of my favorite, if not my favorite scents, actually is Ombre Leather by Tom Ford. I like the way they switch the leather in this, and with the raspberry. Oh my god, this scents so amazing. But we're not gonna talk about this right now. We're talking about Mercedes-Benz Intense. So final thoughts of Mercedes-Benz Intense. First we're gonna talk about projection. Projection for me and Mercedes-Benz Intense, I will give it a 8.75 out of 10, which is not bad. Projection that I received was between 3 to 4 hours and a half. I think it's really good for the price you're paying. Longevity, on the other hand, that's something else. I would give it 9.1 out of 10. For me, the longevity in this was 6 to 7 hours. And final thought about what is more important, compliments. What do you think about the compliments? Well, I would say it's 50-50. Why is it 50-50? Because some people actually enjoy Dior Farenheit, like my girlfriend. She enjoyed, and when she smelled this one, she fell in love with it. But my sister, on the other hand, she hated. That's the fragrance that when she smelled, she want to throw up. She doesn't support that sense. And with the same thing with this. So give it a try. If Christian Dior is a fragrance that you enjoy a lot, but one of the things that you don't enjoy is the leather smell that you perceive on it, this will be a great change for you. It's such a fresh, strong sense, close, 100% close vibe to Christian Dior without the leather part, but with a strong and bergamot part. So my advice, final overall points out of this, 8.79 out of 10. So thank you for watching my video. This was my review and first impression and final thoughts of Mercedes-Benz Intense. See you in the next video. Adios.